guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good and safe at your respective places. If someone new who is watching my channel for the first time who don't know who I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Elated. I makes videos related to DIY, art, craft, lifestyle, fashion, food, travel and much more. You can check out in my bio. And here goes my BB cream. It's less than 100 bucks. It's small one. You'll get a bigger size also. It's of 9 gram and the price is 78 bucks. Friends, for me BB cream is all-time favorite because I can't step outside always wearing foundation. For one small occasions or for shopping purpose and all, I always use this BB cream. And for 100 bucks and below 200 bucks with different gram, I think this is the best one. It's having a SPF 30 PA++, SPF 30+ because it helps preventing any kind of harmful rays from sun. It acts as a sunscreen for your face. Guys, here you will get only one shade, that is Gen White formula. You will not get any other shade. So you should check out whether this skin tone or this shade will be suitable for your face, because for one person it will be not suitable, and for yellowish kind of people like yellow shade skin tone, for them it will be very suitable. And once you're done by applying your moisturizer and later primer, and then you can use this, and that's it. It's enough for your simple makeup look. And you can give some extra look by applying eyeshades or lipstick. I'm gonna show how you can use this. Then let's start with that video. Guys, first you need to wash your face. I'm using Miniso face tissues and I'm wiping out all over my face to find like if any dirt or dust present in my face, it should be cleared off. I got this for 150 bucks. And next step is moisturizing your face. I am using Himalaya moisturizer. You can use any kind of your wished moisturizer. I am using Himalaya. I'm just taking a little bit and scrubbing all over my face. Guys, once you are done with moisturizing your face, the next step is primer. You can use any kind of primer. You know that aloe vera gel can also be used as a primer. I'm using as primer for my face. I'm just taking a little bit and spreading out all over my face. Once you are done with the primer, the next step is BB cream. I'm using Pond's BB cream. Here also I'm just taking a little bit. I don't prefer a much. I'm taking very light. Later you can blend that cream using a beauty blender, or you can also use a puffy kind of brushes. I'm using a beauty blender. I'm gonna blend it very well. And guys, blending is very simple. You can eventually spread out the cream and blend it very well. If it is not possible using the sponge, you can also use brushes. And another option is your fingers. I think our fingers is also a best blender. Once it is done, I'm using a concealer. Guys, I'm using here Maybelline Conceller. You can use any other products also. And you'll get this for 465 plus bucks. And this is an optional. Since I'm having a dark circle, I'm using this to lightly coverage my dark circle. And that too, I'm adding very little amount. And I'm gonna blend this very well using my beauty blender. Once it is done, I'm gonna use my Maybelline compact powder. You'll get this for 159 plus bucks. And this is also optional, guys. If you want, you can proceed further, or else you can stop at BB cream itself. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I just comb it and I apply this. And I am using Miss Clary eyebrow pencil, and it's a black shade. You'll get a different shade like brown also, but I don't prefer a brown one. And also I don't prefer much blacker also, since if we apply black, it will look so artistic or dramatic, so I don't prefer much black. And guys, next I'm using Maybelline mascara. I'll get this for 303 plus bucks. And just applying very bit all over my eyelashes. And now let me concentrate my lip area. I'm using Huda lipstick. You can use any branded one. I'm using Huda. And here also I'm applying very light shade. It's a light pink shade. And that too, it's very little. And now I'm using Maybelline lip liner to cover an uneven surface. Once it is done, I'm using Maybelline eyeliner. It's a kind of silver, a kind of white shade. And I'm applying this below my eyes and above eyelashes. And this is also optional. If you want to put a eyeliner, black one, you can also prefer that, or you can also use a kajal. Since it is very simple makeup, I'm trying to use this. Once it is done, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter. You'll get this for 470 plus bucks. You can use any highlighter, and this is also optional. And taking a little bit in my finger and applying it at my edges of my eye. And similarly taking a little bit and applying it below my eyebrows. Now you can see, guys, my makeup is done. And it's a very simple makeup. Always prefers to wear a very light makeup, and it should not be so heavy for me. It should not look so white powdery on my skin, so I always prefer as BB cream, and it's also reasonable. I don't prefer always foundation to my face for simple occasions and all. This one is almost done. I should buy new one. You can see in my face it's looking as natural makeup. It's not looking so heavy. Or you can wear this in colleges or going outside with your friends. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.